How to hide Reddit posts and comments? This quick tutorial will show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Reddit app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner. Now, tap on 3 lines in the top corner. Tap on Settings, then go into Account Settings for your username. Inside here, look for the option called Curate Your Profile and tap on it. Next, select Content and Activity. This section controls what others can see on your profile, including posts, comments, and active communities. By default, it may be set to Show All, which means your activity is visible to everyone. To hide it, simply tap on it and select Hide All. Once you do this, your posts, comments, and activity will no longer be visible when someone visits your profile. Go back, and you'll see the changes have already been applied. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Reddit posts and comments in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips and tutorials.